Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue where you encounter this problem where Control plus Alt plus Delete, the security options window is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to restart the computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and select restart. The next solution is to update drivers and update Windows. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the Windows Update tab, select advanced options, select optional updates and install these optional updates. Return to the Windows Update page and select check for updates. The next solution is clean boot. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the hide all Microsoft services box to hide all the services which are not explicitly Microsoft Office services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply OK, and then restart your computer. And finally, perform an SFC scan on your computer, because if nothing else is working, we can assume that it is caused due to missing and corrupt files in the system. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.